afternoon, my YouTubers. How you doing? This is the new beginning. This is Candido Gonzalez here. What's going on? I'm here walking in my beautiful backyard. You see, I have a lake in my backyard back here. It's nice walking my little Lola, my dog. So the question I got for you is, what are you doing? What are you gonna do with your life? What are you doing about it? Are you working your 9 to 5 still? Are you doing the same boring thing that you do all the time? You know, man, I've been doing plumbing for a long time. I've been doing plumbing for about 13 years now. And I just started doing this YouTube stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to do something. Oh, sorry. Oh, excuse me. Trying to do something different here. Sorry, my dog going around me almost made me fall. Trying to do something different, man. I know there's got to be something different. And why not try this? You know, it might go somewhere one of these days. You know, it might take a year, it might take 2 years, but who cares? You know, got to try something. Can't always be doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, look, I want to show you, man. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, man, I love it. I love it here. You know, I walk here every morning and afternoon. Nice, beautiful breeze. You know, look at these people over there walking. I think, oh, they're creepers. It's like, I'm just kidding. It's beautiful. Look at my dog. Look at my Loli. Loli, what are you doing? It's beautiful. Look at that sky, man. Woo. Anyway, let me get back to it. So what are you going to do? What are you thinking of doing with your life? Man, I don't know. Just got to be other things. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, ClickBank. I love ClickBank. I go to ClickBank all the time, you know. You go to Marketplace, you go there, and then you just take people's accounts and then you just post them on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to post them at. And you get a commission out of it. That's one place. They have other places, you know. You can make account for people, you know. You could, I don't know, you could, let's see, tree business. You know, you go to Facebook, tree business, and go there and just look for tree business people. And they might need people to just make an ad for them or anything like that. And you can make a quick $100 with that. It's just what you want to do. It's just, man, there's got to be different things out there. Man, better than just getting up every morning and going to work for the next man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, man. But, man, I love you people. And I'm really, really happy that I could talk to you guys, you know. And this is a good way to do it, you know, to get to know new people. And just, it feels good. Feel good sometimes just to help people out, you know. Not do the same thing all the time, you know. Just help people out, man. It feels really good to do that. So I would really appreciate it if you click that like button, subscribe, and give me that thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So see you in the next one with the new beginning. Love you guys. See you in the next one.